talk about eBay. Okay, this is better. It's a little better, right?
If you want to say that.
Well, the stock, it was up, and now it's not doing anything.
Guys.
It did beat estimates, though, in terms of the top and the bottom line for eBay here. So, we did see a better reaction from it a little bit earlier on. The company also, by the way, is raising the lower end of its full year forecast. So I guess that's not super exciting, but a little bit better here. And the company's revenue forecast for this current quarter and its earnings per share forecast is sort of in line with what analysts have been anticipating. Earnings per share did beat last quarter. I mean, this is one of those companies where it had been an outperformer for a long time. Mm-hmm. Then had a sort of dip here, and the dippity-do, as Brad Smith
would say,
would call it. And now, it's just sort of there. I don't know.
All I can say is, unlike Clorox, at least eBay seems to understand it is a slower growth entity, and it is actually forecasting its results somewhat okay. Now, are the results great? Well, no. This is more, I think, what we've come to know and expect from an eBay. You saw just slowing growth across the board. You saw gross margins down about 400 basis points year over year. So not a great quarter. Another e-commerce company showing slower growth, just like an Etsy, you name it, Wayfair, they're all about the.
I mean, this is a very different kind of pandemic hangover, right? Where you saw a lot of people go online and buy things during the pandemic. That is now shifting. Gross merchandise volume down 18% to about $18.5 billion. That was still a little bit better than estimated. What also stood out to me, active buyers on the platform, the number of active buyers at 138 million, which is below estimate. So fewer people than estimated buying stuff. They're buying less stuff. I guess it's all about managing expectations now from here on out for a company like eBay.
Yeah, and I didn't hear anything from eBay about cutting hiring or slowing hiring. That is the buzzword at the moment right now in tech land. It's almost as if you're not firing people, you're not going to get rewarded by the stock market. It's just a terrible thing to even be saying, but that seems to be what the market is rewarding companies that come in here and are cutting very, very high paid employees.
Yeah, I guess that is what's happening.